and my phone is not charged. Like kuningi nje ka mfanaga. Hi guys. Hello, hello, hello. And my phone isn't even charged, but I decided that, you know what? Let's go say hi just for a little bit. I haven't been on live in so long. How are you guys? If y'all are going to keep quiet, I'm going to end this live right now. Right now. You know me. Those who know me know. Hello. Nope. Hi. Why am I here? That's interesting. Whenever I go live, it's always people I don't know. Let me in. No. Don't want to go live with other people. Plus, I don't know you. Maybe if I knew you, it would be different. Gorgeous girl. Thank you. Thank you so much. Timbane. Ibo. And then? Y'all are gonna make me leave this live.